What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Northridge. Kind of stay local, but yeah. It's legit now. It is Father's Day weekend. And yeah, this store has been legit lately. They had the raffle for the infrared 4s, and I did hear that raffle seemed to be pretty legit. All right, let's look around. Always gotta check the front. And then dude got 6s. I've never seen these. Not the men's, at least. Like I said, I've never seen these in person. Not the men's version. Only seen the grade school. And these have been selling out. Okay. Leather's actually pretty nice. Tumbled leather on it. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I skipped these, but not bad. Dude got these in toddler sizes. 8C. These look funny, so small. And then dude got some dunks. These actually don't look too bad. Denim. It actually doesn't look too bad. It does have a little mark right there. Is that some mustard or something? And then they do got these as well. Dude got those. These are all what, preschool? Grade school? Oh, that's a 1Y, so yeah, all preschool stuff right there. Okay. Dude got some mids. Got some highs. These are the Heritage. And yeah, when Hess Kicks turned this into a bread toe, it actually looked really nice. Colored this part black, that part black as well. Looked pretty fire. But yeah, too much work for me. I'm too lazy. Chili red 9s. Dude got these as well. The 11. Not bad. 72 10s. I'm a fan of these, man. I'm a fan. Couldn't afford it, but I'm a fan. Dude got ones right there. The Air Force Ones, that is. Dude, I haven't seen too many colorways of these. A little gaudy. These are the Why Not 0.5s. Westbrook shoe. And then I don't think I've ever seen this colorway of the Kyries. The Kyrie 8, aka Kyrie Infinities. Okay. And then got a bunch of men's colors now. Got a bunch of men's colors all 130. So someone was looking at that a little while ago, and then they also got the 5s. But a lot of places have been having those lately. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. $2 for the 5s now. Ooh. Checking out the kids section. Dude got grade school dunks. Got these Jordan 1 lows. Got these as well. Some 1s, obviously. 6s, multiple 6s. $150 for these. This is the latest, the Jordan 12 coming out for grade school. The University Blue does look dope, but man, they kind of kill it with having those cheesy little emojis right there inside as well. But hey, maybe that's popular for kids. I don't know. Del Sols, these are going for $150. 6s, $150 for these, as well as these right here. Okay. Was talking to a friend of mine, and she was saying that these are not easy to find. Apparently, the women's Mitchell and Ness jerseys, you know, these tend to be tapered, more fit for women. $100. A little bit cheaper too, right? Okay. I think the men's are 110, right? So a little bit cheaper, probably less material. So that kind of makes sense. I think the men's are 130 now that I think about it. So pretty big difference. All right. Got Rodman and Magic right there. Then these shorts too. Shorts look fire. Still too much to wear all of it though, right? All right. I was about to head out. One of the homies, I did hit him up. Size 12 of the chili red 9s. So I'm going to grab these for him. And then yeah, we'll look around some more. So I did pay for my Jordans, and they got these too now. Okay, so but yeah, that's all the stuff here. Ended up picking these up for the homie. All right, let's go check out some other spots now. Damn, I just realized I needed 11.5. I ended up getting a 12. I should have checked some of the other spots. All right, let's look around this Champ, see what's up. I'm pretty sure this Champs isn't compromised. I don't know, we'll see. But to be honest, since resale has gone down, I don't even know if it matters that much. But I still want to support the legit stores instead of the ones that have screwed us over the last year and a half, 2 years. Dude got the 574s. We are starting to see a few of these on sale. That is pretty dope. It goes in waves, man. Like these, we used to see a bunch of these on sale. Then they were all full price, and then now they're back on sale now. So that's what's up. That's what's up. And I guess the new price is $100. They used to go for 90, and I guess now they're $100. Well, before that they were 80. Okay. Still got the entire South Park pack. And yes, we were missing this one, but yeah, the Kenny ones right here as well. These are 160 a piece. The NMD's 160, and then I think those were originally 100. We are starting to see these on sale. And this is the one that I want right here, like the premium, or it feels more premium. I don't know if it actually is, but feels a little more premium. 55 down to 30. Hopefully they go down in price some more. But yeah, all of them on sale now. Okay. Been talking about it, and you know, we are gonna see a lot more sales on all kinds of stuff. Then remember these being out and about at the outlets a lot now. Hadn't seen them in a while, but now they're back. They do everything in waves, don't they? $110 for those. $110 for those. This is a new colorway of these LeBron 19s. These are low, right? Yeah, these are the lows. I'm not a huge fan of the lows. I'm just not. I prefer the highs a lot more. I think the highs look freaking dope. Lows are a little bit cheaper at 160 as opposed to at 200 for those. Of course, a lot of those are going for 230, 240 as well, the special edition ones. Some Air Forces I've never seen before. Okay. Using way different materials. It's like a linen material. Is that cotton? I don't know. I can't tell. But okay, definitely different. 120 for these. Tons of colorways of the Prestos right there. I like this one though, man. This one's fire, dude. This one's fire. This is like similar colorway to the Hello Kitty one without all the kid stuff on it. But yeah, that's pretty dope. $130 for those. But I'm not like that into Prestos. Then I saw someone buy one of these for hella cheap at the outlets. Damn, I forgot who that was. Was that guy with the sneak? Was it that guy with the shoes? I think that was him. And then these look not bad. These ain't bad for denims. I usually don't like denim stuff at all, but that's not bad. All right, tons and tons and tons of Air Maxes. All right, let's keep it moving. Keep it moving. 2 more shops. All right, dude got Foot Locker. I think this is the Lonely whatever store here. All right, let's look around. All right, most of the other shops, they have these, but this one has these mids. Kind of like a reverse spread mid. Kind of, I don't know what they're calling this one. But okay, what these going for? $120 now. That's what mids are going for. Northridge Mall, they actually have lows, mids. They never have all white Air Force One lows. Sales on top of sales. Jordan Hydros, not on sale, bastards. Dang it. Of course, I already do have those, so it's not like I need them. I've never seen these Jordan slides. Never seen these. I don't even know what the heck they're called. Okay, but they're here. Just seems to have pretty decent cushioning. Oh, okay, $45 for those. All right. Still got the human race slides. These are down to $50. Remember, these started off at $100. And then the black ones, slight sale, but not as much as the other ones. Those actually look pretty dope. Boots, not that comfy though. Not that comfy on slides. You've seen that. Got some boots. Y'all do boots? Got those? Okay. Seeing more toddler ones now. Okay, that's good, because come on, dude. We don't need to be gouging for kids. Come on now. In the women's section, what are these? I don't think I've ever seen these. They're already on sale. $75 down to $40. These built off of the, it's not built off of the 70s. Okay. Got multiple colorways. Yeah, and I'm just not feeling any of these. Okay. All right, nothing too interesting. All right, let's go check out the last store, or a couple last store. I don't know. We do have a kids Foot Locker. Let's check them out, see what they got. Jordans for children, readily available. We've seen that at all kinds of spots now. All right, apparently this is the infrared. I haven't seen these in hand. I haven't really been out the last few days, so this is the first time I've ever seen them. They're okay. I'm glad I didn't go after them. I'm just not feeling them like that. But yeah, they're here. These are what, 160 for the kids. All right. They are on sale on the kids. Man, oh, it's only $5 off, man. I got all excited. It's only $5 off. Material's not bad. I kind of like how they stamp that suede or whatever they do with it. That's actually pretty dope, man. I don't know. We'll see if the men's go on sale. I have a feeling the men's will. How many men are freaking buying these? I don't know. Maybe the kids with big feet, I guess. But yeah, RSX going for $50. The Kool-Aid suedes I hear going for $50. Some Simpsons. What are these? What the hell are these? Stan Smiths? Yeah, they're canvas Stan Smiths. Like, the materials throw me off. $85 for these? Dang, dude, okay. Got some Air Max 90s that I've never seen before. Never seen this colorway. They're just coming out with the tons and tons of colorways. Definitely dope because everybody gets a little bit of what they want. 110 for most of these. Then they got some grade school dunks right here. Size 4s. Like, we're seeing everything, dude. We're seeing dunks. We're seeing Jordans. All kinds of stuff readily available. That's crazy. Cool. Air Max 97s. Couple of them for $100. Normally, what, 150 something? All right, not bad. Not bad. I know this store is one of the legit stores for sure. All right, one last shop checkout. All right, last sneaker shop here. Dude got a shoe palace. All right, let's look around. Look around. Dude got the Brotherhoods right there, man. Maybe I should have gotten them at the outlet. And then the Volts. This is the first time I've ever seen the Volts. I know this one has a name, but man, I just call these the Volts. Because, yeah, it don't get more Volt than this, man. It's like, dang, dude. Oh, man, they use that cracked leather thing. They're using that on everything nowadays? I didn't know that. Okay, well, all right, they're here. You know what? I need to post some of this on Instagram, so I'll definitely post it. I haven't seen if these are widely available yet. Probably, but they're here. Okay. Dude got the 7s, some mids right there, and then those tie-dye looking mids up top. Oh wait, there's a lower one. I guess I can show you guys these. Okay. And definitely got that tie-dye stuff on the back. These going for $135 now. That's how much the mids is going for, man. What the hell? What are you guys doing, Nike? What y'all doing? Dude got these dunks. I've never seen these dunks before. These are size 4. But yeah, man, that's crazy right there. That's crazy. I don't know if I'm all into that. $85 for the grade school now. This is a grade school dunk. Pink. It is an SE. Okay. I don't know why it says 17. Then got one of these as well. Great. This is grade school dunk. Oh. Still do got these women's mids right here at $135. Grade school with a ton of Jordan retros. Wow. Whole shuffle. Have I seen these? I think this is the latest PGs, right? PG 6s. I don't think I've seen these. These are definitely interesting. I'm not much of a fan of them, but I guess I haven't been a fan of the PGs since like the 2.5s, 2.5s. But they're here. $110. Haven't seen them too many spots. They are. Have they always had Mitchell and S here? Really? Is this Mitchell and S? Isn't this Mitchell and S? Am I tripping? Isn't this Mitchell and S? Who is it? Am I tripping? I think I am. Oh yeah, see, this is Mitchell and S. What the hell? They always had it here. I don't know, $70 for these, extra large. It does have the big Lakers on the front, and then got, is that Raiders? Is the Raiders leftover? Is that a Raiders? Yeah, Raiders leftover a couple. Okay, that's actually pretty dope. All right, let's wrap it up. I think we're done. All right, guys, Father's Day weekend. This is from yesterday. I mentioned a couple videos that I was going to try to hit up as many Nike outlets as possible, but I think I'm going to hit up some more malls too, because it is Father's Day weekend. I totally forgot about that. And man, a lot of stuff readily available, you guys. Plenty of stuff. We're able to grab dunks, grade school dunks for our kids now. We're able to grab Jordans for ourselves as well as our kids. Like, it's crazy. Time's crazy. I told you guys a while ago. We talked about this, a few months ago. Started talking about this a few months ago. I did say that, hey, I do think the market's going to crash, and I think the sneaker game's going to change. If you got the money, really good time to buy sneakers right now. But if you don't, don't put stuff on your credit card, you guys. Like, we really don't need to be going in debt for sneakers. Please take care of yourselves financially, because that's a little more important than sneakers. But pretty dope that we are able to find a ton of sneakers out there. Hope you guys are out and about. Let me know in the comment section if you guys found anything dope this weekend or just recently. I have a ton of videos to get to you guys. Man, I've been lagging. My bad, you guys. I got a bunch of trades. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I got a bunch of trades that came up, and I've came up on a bunch of stuff. I got reviews to get you guys. Got plenty coming. 3rd year anniversary. Yesterday was my 3rd year on YouTube, so Just entering into my 3rd year, so I still got plenty of content, still got plenty of things to show you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the videos. You guys, thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell, because I do drop tons and tons of videos. Got plenty of vlogs. Trying to add reviews. Trying to add a few other sneaker videos here and there. So yeah, see you guys next one. Plenty coming. Peace.